Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Nowadays, people use bicycles less as a form of transport. Why is this the case? What can we do to encourage people to use bicycles more? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from own knowledge or experience. Advancement in technology has facilitated people with high-tech means of transport which make their traveling comfortable and luxurious. The travelers sit with comfort and move from one place to other without any problem. The consequence is less use of bicycles, so there is need to address this issue by promoting it. To start with the major reason of reduction in the use of bicycles, the writers are more interested in traveling in big cars as these are easily affordable. The finance companies allure people to take loans to finance their cars if they are short of money, so buying cars is in reach of majority of the people. This maintains their status in society as cars are full of luxuries and comfort. Moreover, riding a bicycle is a manual task which needs energy further, making people reluctant to use them. In addition to, the bicycles do not protect people from the extreme climatic conditions, which causes unease. The time consumption is another factor as bicycles take a long time to reach a particular destination, and if the journey is long then these do not fit. To reverse the situation, there is need to invest in better infrastructure for cyclists, such as creating more dedicated bike lanes and ensuring they are well maintained and connected to key parts of the city. The subsidies provided by the government to the bicycle riders will encourage them to have it. The awareness campaigns can be organized to promote its usage for the purpose of public health as well as to protect the environment. For example, cities like Copenhagen and Amsterdam have successfully promoted cycling by prioritizing bicycle-friendly infrastructure and implementing policies that discourage car use in city centers. In conclusion, although there are various reasons why people use bicycles less nowadays, investing in better infrastructure, offering incentives, and raising awareness can encourage more people to use bicycles as a means of transportation. This shift could have significant benefits for public health, the environment, and urban traffic. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.